This is how to add any blockchain network to Metamask automatically using Chainlist. As you can see, we're currently on the Chainlist website. However, it is important to note that first you have to have the Metamask extension on your browser. So we have the Metamask already here using Microsoft Marketplace. As you can see, it's currently installed, and that's why you have remove. So you have to actually install Metamask extension on your browser. When you install it on your browser, you have to, of course, sign in or log in if you already have your Metamask wallet login details, and then this is going to work. And then here in Chainlist, you can see connect your wallet. So you're going to click on that. And when you connect your wallet, you can see it's connecting to your Metamask, and it shows you here. You have to click on next. And of course, you get to approve the connection. And now we have Metamask connected to our Chainlist. Now, all we have to do is to make a selection of the network we would like to add. So I'm just going to, for example, select Kava, and I'm going to add it to Metamask. Now I've clicked on it. Of course, you have this options here. You can cancel or approve it. Of course, that's why we're here. We want to approve it. And you can see previously I had Ethereum and I also had Mantle, but I'm going to switch to Kava now. And when you come to the extension and you click on it, you can see that Kava is the current network that we're currently using. Now, after installing Metamask on your browser as the extension, you can come over here and make sure that this extension appears here, just for ease of access. It is important to note also that when you're done, it is important to disconnect from this website for security reasons. So you have to go to the extension, and then you're going to look for the three dots here, and you're going to click on it. We're looking for connected sites. So when we click on connected sites, we have Chainlist. Of course, we're here. So we get to disconnect it because we're about to leave. So this is a security feature for yourself. You could leave it this way, but it's good to disconnect it when you're done with the website. And then, of course, if you'd like to repeat the process, you can watch this video and go with the steps that we've taken. So this is how to add any blockchain network to Metamask automatically using Chainlist.